peel the potato first.
Okay.
Smash it.
Yes.
You want to smash it?
Yes, I do,
Okay.
I do.
Make it like a lollipop.
Oh, okay. Very good.
Hey Megan, what are you eating?
Cheese. I love cheese.
You're
So
a cheese
good.
lover?
Of course. Huge.
Can I have some?
No, it's mine.
What's sharing is caring.
Mm-mm.
Okay, fine, I make my own. I'm gonna make some cheese balls then.
Cheese balls?
Yeah.
Can I please join?
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey Megan,
Yes.
Christmas is coming, and we're gonna make the perfect party snacks today.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah. The main ingredient is potato,
Yes.
cheese, egg, breadcrumbs, milk, all-purpose flour, butter, and salt.
All right.
Let's peel the potato first.
Okay.
Okay, so after we peel the potato, we can
Yeah.
just put it in the boiling water.
Okay.
The water level just cover the potato, then it's fine. And then we can put the lid on and put it to a high heat. Let it boil for around 20 to 25 minutes, we'll be fine. Okay, Megan.
Yes.
So the potato have been boiled for 25 minutes.
Yes.
And how do we test it out if it is ready? Use a fork,
Yeah.
just poke it in.
Oh, okay.
See, it's all the way in and you can break it apart.
Oh,
so
very
it is
soft.
ready, very soft.
Okay.
Yes. So we can take it out.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the next step? We're going
You're
to
gonna smash potatoes?
smash it.
Yes.
You want to smash it?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I do. Thank you.
Okay, you can smash it. When the potato out from the hot water,
Yes.
we have to smash it right away.
Oh, you can't wait.
If it cool down, it will get stiff again.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So we put some butter
Oh my
in
god, yes, butter.
it, and a little bit of salt,
Okay.
and some all-purpose flour. Since it's very hot right now, we can put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes to let it cool down
Oh.
really quickly. So it's easier for us to form the balls.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, for the next step,
Yes.
we're going to make the batter.
Okay.
1 egg,
Yes.
and we're going to add milk. Add some milk. Whisk it all together first. Depends on the thickness. Right now it's a little bit too thick,
Okay.
so we add a little bit
More milk.
more milk into it.
So I want it to be very liquidy.
You can feel it's runny, not too liquidy.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Perfect. It's
Ah.
runny, but it can really stay on something.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, we can take the potato back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay,
Our potato.
so first we're going to trim the cheese first.
Oh, it's so soft.
So we'll cut it to a size like a dice. Okay, now let's form the cheese ball. Sometimes when the potato is kind of too waxy,
Ah.
so we have to form the cheese ball really quickly.
Okay.
And then before we deep fry it, we put into the freezer
Okay.
for like 15 to 20 minutes. And freeze it first, and then we deep fry.
Okay. Let me help you. Again, it looks easy, but it's not. This could be a fun family activity. While we're waiting for the potatoes to freeze, Ronald, do you have any tips or tricks to make this an easier process?
The first priority is pick the good quality of potato.
Okay.
That's a very important part.
Okay.
And secondly is after we form the cheese ball, put it in the freezer for a longer time, at least half an hour or more, until it's all frozen. It's easier for you to deep fry afterwards. It's easier for you to control. It won't break apart easily.
Okay.
Yeah. And the cheese, I would recommend you to pick mozzarella or cheddar cheese.
Okay.
These two is with more heavy taste and more melty,
Okay.
so it will taste better. Okay. So you can see
Oh,
it's very firm right now.
Yes.
So we can put into the batter, coat it with a thin layer, and then we can put into the breadcrumbs. So just roll it into the breadcrumbs until it's like
All covered.
all covered. So we can now put in the oil to deep fry.
All right.
Since the potato is already cooked,
Yes.
and the cheese is ready to eat, right? And not really need to cook, right? So when it's golden brown, then it's ready, so we can take it out. Yeah. Okay, Megan, let's do the final garnish.
All right.
Okay, this one made by you.
Yes, it's mine.
Make it like a lollipop.
Oh, okay.
Here you go.
I'll eat it.
Okay, and we chop some chives and put it on top for a little garnish.
Oh, so cute.
It's very crispy outside.
Very good.
So if you like it, hit the bell and subscribe our channel.
And most importantly,
Merry Christmas!